By now you guys know my process, how I prep my cars. So this is gonna be a very quick transformation video, and I'm gonna use some magic for this. As you can see, the car is all done. It didn't take me too long to get the outside done because it's a tiny car. Look how nice the headlights look compared to what they looked like before. So I gave it a machine polish. I used some compound for the headlights, some tire dressing. Managed to remove all those scratches from this side. They're all gone. Beside this one, it's a tiny one. I'm not too worried about it. It's a used car at the end of the day. The back looks nice. I'm just waiting to get a new wiper blade because this one is broken. So I've ordered a new one. Should be here tomorrow maybe. Here I'm probably going to use some touch-up paint. Not sure, or I'll just leave it as it is. Now, the biggest problem was the interior. It looks all nice. I've already made some mess there because I've used the car a little bit. But I've ordered new floor mats. I wet vac the seats. Not the best job in the world. It's still a bit wet here. But it's a lot better than what it used to look like before. Now the issue with that was I've run out of brain dead carpet cleaner because that one is the best I've used so far. So I've just used the normal carpet cleaner I was using before. The good thing about the one from Brain Dead is that it brings the dark color back into the fabrics, so this will look more darker like they were looking when it came out the factory. But this seats were filthy. This car was so dirty inside, it's unbelievable. I couldn't really notice on the first video when I collected the car, and that is because I didn't look properly and it was in the shade, and you only notice some things when you start doing the cleaning. This car had boogies everywhere, literally everywhere. On some of them I even used alcohol, it didn't work. Multi-purpose cleaner, didn't work. I've used tar and glue removal, it didn't work, so I had to scrub them off with a flathead screw drive. Yeah, it was very dirty, and I don't understand how some people can live like that. Obviously you've seen some before and after photos and videos, so you get the idea what the car looked like, especially this side of the back seat. The boot is nice and clean now. Spent some time on it, but looks alright now. Now, the car has fresh MOT, advisory free. I only needed to change one tire. I've done a full service, which cost me £140. I paid £25 for the tire, 2 number plates for the front and back, which were £30 if I can remember right, and that's it. Oh, and I put some screen wash, but that's it. This car didn't cost me pretty much any money to prep it, which is good. And hopefully it will sell quick. It's a nice car, it drives lovely. Like I said in previous, it's not my cup of tea, but some people will really enjoy driving this car. And now I'm just got my camera ready, and yeah, lots of people ask me what camera I use, and I'm using a Canon 77D and a Sigma 18 to 35 f1.88 lens. This combo costed me nearly £2,000, about £1,800, £2,000, something like that, without the accessories and batteries and all that stuff. But you can get the job done with an iPhone, to be fair. Why not? So I'll take the car down the road, I'll take some photos, I'll make a video as well, and enjoy.